วัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone. Today we are making fried tofu and peanut sauce. This fried tofu is going to be really crunched on the outside with the light batter, but it's soft inside. And we're serving with the peanut sauce, the kind that normally served for all the fried food. It is delicious. What a great tasty snack and a great combination. And it is great snack for everyone in the family, all ages, and even for the people who's not normally like to eat tofu, might consider try this one. So before we start cooking, let's take a look of all the ingredients. Ingredients, I'll use the firm tofu, which is cut down into a bite-sized cube. For the batter, I'll use cornstarch and also crisp fried powder mix and salt. Preparation starting with cutting tofu into a bite-sized cube. Mix cornstarch, crisp fried powder mix, and salt in the mixing bowl. And add water. Mix it all well. Add tofu cube to the bowl. Let it soak into the flour mixture at least 20 minutes. Then put on the strainer to get dry. Give a little pat with a paper towel. Fry in the medium-high heat oil for 1 to 2 minutes. Until it's golden brown. Serving with sweet and sour peanut sauce. There will be a link on how to make peanut sauce in the description box below. It's so good. The tofu is just a perfect crunch outside and also soft inside. And the sauce just take it to another level. It's just a perfect blend of all the flavor. And the roasted peanut just added the nutty flavor into it and good chewy in texture. Hope you enjoyed these videos. See you for the next one.